Okay. Hi guys, hi everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Vantage webinar, guys. So today is also a breaking news and setup. All right. So should we just wait for 1 more minute for everyone to tune in? I will start the session. Okay. Hi Nina, nice to see you here. Okay, you can see and hear me clearly. All right. Okay. Shall we just begin our session? Again, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to Vantage webinar. So today you really can see that we're going to find a trade setup for today and what we need to watch out for the a week ahead. All right. Again, if you have any instrument or specific instrument you want me to have a look for you, just send in the request. Again, if you can tell me, okay, which time frame or what kind of the trader you are, so at least I know which time frame I can look for you guys. If not, I just gonna look for the key level based on headphone time frame. All right, guys. So before we start the webinar, disclaimer first. All right, everything in this video is purely educational in nature. Okay, nothing in this video should be consider as an investment recommendation, any kind of advices as well for you guys to buy or to sell the assets. So if you want to trade, just do your own due diligence before trading. Okay, so about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. Okay, so a quick look on economic calendars, which is I'm going to go to the Forex factory. Okay. I think this is already London market open. Okay. So I'm gonna look for only high impact news, which is for the race box. October 29. This is a UTC. Okay. 8:15, we have the Aussie dollars coming up. Tomorrow, there's no news. On October 29, there are quite a few high impact news coming, which will be affecting the Aussie dollars. Okay, at 12:30 a.m. for the CPI, and 1:45 p.m. we have Bank of Canada. Okay, and 2:30 another one for the Bank of Canada press conference. 6 p.m. onward, 6 p.m. to 6:30, we have Federal Fund Rate and FOMC press conference. So I think this one is gonna be very high impact news, will be affecting gold. Okay, and October 30, we have a yen, JPY. There no specific time given, so just take note of that. 1:15 p.m. we have a euro coming up as well. Okay, and October 31st, Canadian dollar at 12:30 p.m. GDP and core PC and employment cost index is a tentative, so I don't know when. I think because of the government still shut down, so I think a lot of the data is not out yet, which is this one. We also don't have the data for the NFP as well. Okay, take note of that. Okay, now can we just go over and look for the trade setup today? First of all, shall we just look at the dollars? Okay, I'm gonna go for the dollar. Okay, for the dollar, I already have a key level right here, and you can see that dollar index is still in the bullish channels, right? Price still make the higher high, higher low here, higher high, higher low, and could be make the higher high, which is at the second resistance. Just take note of the first resistance. For the dollar, we have the bearish of the block over here, and the price is 99.28 to 99.5. Look for this, because from this you might see internal one, you might see kind of like the maybe pull back here from this zone and then continue to rise. Okay, that's gonna be the zones. Okay, take notes of that. So still buy at dollar for the still buy at bullish for the dollar. Okay. Look at the EURUSD, which is a negative correlation. Oh, very nice that. EU, okay, is at the resistance level. First resistance, we have the bearish OB over here. This is very nice. If you still hold your sell entry, just hold, okay, because dollar will be rising. EURUSD, you can see it is selling off, okay, selling off right here. So take note of that level. This is a key level. Let me pull in the Fibonacci. It's about we have 50% Fibonacci retracement within the zones, right? This zone. So I would say that okay, price here on the bearish move. Okay. Like read this is a bigger picture. So I think it could go all the way to these zones, at least all the way to the second support. Just hold your entry. So if you want to hold, it could be like, okay, if price break above, break below, like break below, okay, you can pull back and then you can sell. Take note of the bullish OB as well from the first support. You might see the bounce, okay, from this level. But if still hold, okay, just hold your entry. Just hold your entry. Okay, guys. You can request, okay, if not, I'll just go through the major. Okay. All right, guys. Okay. GBP USD as well, or price. Okay. If you want to look for the buy entry, it's gonna be maybe this level. I will just put here because price has already since last week had reacted off the first resistance. Okay, so this is another OB which it haven't taken yet. Okay, for this level, so take notes. Okay, take notes of that key level here. Of course, if you look on the higher time frame, right, for the GBP, I would say that they make higher low, right? You can see they make higher low here. Okay, so we will see at least they will pull back at the second support here. Okay. If your day trade, just take note of first support first. Okay, first support. Here we have the OB. It might bounce off from this to go to the next resistance level. Let me zoom in to the M15. Okay. You look here, right? Based on the M15, price also has rejected from this OB here, right? This OB over here. Okay, so you can hold because price is already falling. The best is that you just look for the buy entry. Just look for the buy entry. Okay, just look for the buy entry over here. Okay, just be patient and look for the buy entry. Anyone want to request? Okay, I will go through the major, and after that we're gonna look at the XAU USD together. Okay. GBP USD CAD, okay, on the higher time frame. Okay. Okay, based on the higher time frame for the dollar, we know that price, you can see that price make the break of structure. Break of structure, also this break of structure as well. So it's in all the bullish trend, bullish channel, and then you also can see the make the break of structure here. Okay, so I would say that the first support is gonna be here. First support is gonna be here for the USD CAD. We have 50% Fibonacci. Okay, now we're gonna zoom in, and then you're gonna have a look, which is okay, H4, right? First support is gonna be here, but just take note of this over here. The zone is big, so you need to wait for price to come in the zones. Okay, in the lower time frame, you need to fight to fall in the zone, and you can buy. Okay, and this is gonna be your second support right here. You can see that price has falling, rejected off from first resistance right here. You see that, right? And the next resistance that will be here, second resistance. Okay, take note of this. Okay, price need to go all the way at least there. You can use the RSI, right? RSI still can falling at least 30. So we still have rooms, okay, for price to fall. And before this go to like the zones. All right. Okay, take note of that. Okay. USD, JPY, wow. H4. Okay. Right. Resistance is it is a fall breakout. They might be make the M pattern, yeah, if we want to look like that, right? And now because this week we have the yens coming, it might come and close the gap. We don't know, but this is the gap. They see a gap here. Okay, take notes of that. So I would just pick this multi swing high first resistance level. Okay, first resistance level over here. It might come and close gap later. I don't know, we don't know when, right? Because you see that it's for the gap up the beginning of October, which is 3rd October, and then all the way, maybe end of the month, or because we also have yen is coming up, they might, you know, come down and close the gap, we will see. But I would say this is my first resistance, okay, based on this multi-swing high, and I would draw the zone, which is the wick and the body. I would say this is a resistant area of resistance or zones, right? Okay, I will pick like that. All right, and my first support, meaning that I'm gonna target here for first take profit of first TP, and this is gonna be my second support. Okay, can we see if price gonna fall from here? Okay, let's wait. Let's zoom in to the M5, right? M5, if we want to sell, I would say, okay, I see the price action here within the zones, right? It's an overbought as well. Okay, see the price action, so we can sell. You see that whenever the zone is big, you go down to the lower time frame, like here M15, you will see lovely price action, you sell. Okay, you can sell here based on this is what I mean by confirmation. All right, guys. Okay, then you sell. This where is my okay, guys, that's clear. So let's hold to this level, okay, this level. All right, move on to US. I will gonna finish USD shape, give it dollar Aussie, and I'm gonna look at gold later. Okay, based on the look go on high time frame for the USD chef. Okay, T1. I would say that this is like, you know, support level for them. Okay, this is the first resistance, right? And the something. Go to H4. Right? Okay, you see we have the OB here. Meaning that you see rising. Okay. So that it's continue to rise. This is the first support. This is the second support. Okay. The next resistance would be here. So you see that? Base here, right? Right here, high, high, higher, low. You can see the 50%. That's going to be 30.6 here. So you just hold. Okay. This level. Okay. Shall we look at the goal? Wow. Okay. In H4 time frame, right? I would say that this is like it might break, yeah. I have no idea. I would say that this is the first support, and this is a zones, and this is a zone. Yeah. So if you to look in here, because the risk weak, right? We should buy, right? But then now I go to M5. Just now was go all the way to 70. To the 70, and then it's falling. Wow. So this is that sets the resistance. I still okay, guys. I still buy as buy, but the song is still big. So this is should be the sound price bounce, right? From this to this is like 60 pip. Just 60 pip. Basically this should be our buy entry for scalping. Okay, guys, just take notes. Another zone, if you really want to buy, I would say these zones. Okay, but if price, like I say, if price close below 40 50, and then I would say okay, I will look for the sell entry already. But because now it's at the support level, okay, so I would say like this. If you want to buy here just now, right? If you want to buy based on this level, price is rising to 70, and then now it's falling. So another zone we could buy is 60 and 57. Yeah, I think now it's already wow. Okay, there is a London coming. Okay, may you consider to buy this level? Take notes. Okay, stop loss, I would just say put below 40 50, because you can see this very strong selling. Okay, you take note of that. All right, guys. Okay, almost come to the zone, so you take note of that. Oh, wow. Already go in the zone, guys. Okay. Yeah, just stop loss. You just put below. Just put at 49. Okay. Because maybe London come, they just sell, we don't know. Okay, but it's just that this is a level, support level for H4. All right, guys, so take note of that. It's really strong selling. If you want to buy, just have the smaller size, that will be okay. Don't like make like such a bigger lot. Okay, because price is falling so strong. All right, guys, see that? Yeah, stop loss just put 49. I know that that is a lot of the, like, another like 1,000, about another, yeah, from like the yeah, let's just say the entry another 4,000, so take notes. Okay. Okay, so meaning I think it's London is sell. You see London open, they sell off, they sell gold. Okay, guys. Okay, we see the rejection. Okay, this is the M1. Okay, so yeah, just see slightly rejection, but just high risk. It's just that as a support level. Okay, I know that it's very strong selling. It's just that at the support level, guys. So just set the stop loss. That's all I can say. Okay. Okay, is it? That's still selling. This is at the support level. So price was bounced off from 57. Okay. Um, okay, let's just see if price gonna bounce from these zones. It was M5 was sideways. They break, then sell all the way down. Okay. Let's just see. Oh, still falling. London section sell gold. Nobody buy gold right now. Okay, take notes, guys. If you want to buy small lot size, don't overtrade. Okay. Let me see. All right, guys. Okay, see the rejection. We're gonna see whether price gonna close or bounce from this zone. Let me see. Anybody buy, just take notes. Okay, you can take risks. You go ahead. I could be wrong. Okay, don't take my setup for the signal. Okay, because I would say that this be strong. I level this zone just for the demand. Okay, stop loss here 49. Stop loss is 49. Okay, because this is a below first support level. Okay, so gonna see. Okay, let's just if you want to wait for confirmation, right? We can wait for maybe M5 to close. Actually, it's already over. Okay, it's just that let's see. Okay, let's see. M5 give us the price action. Okay, and then I think we are good to go. But right now, this M1 I can show you guys. Based on indicator, we can see that we already see the overbought, but this is London. Okay, London open. I think London just sell up gold. Okay, let's see. We're gonna see whether price gonna bounce from this level. Anybody buy? Yeah, anyone? Let me see. Okay. Buy zones. We see the rejection. I want to see the price action. If H like M5 close with the wrong rejection, and then the body is closed with bullish, and then we good to go. Okay, we good to go, or you can hold buy entry. Of course, if just now you buy somewhere here, do a stop loss about 880 pip. Yeah, nowadays you can't really get like stop loss 30 and 50 pip. Nowadays go like move 100 pip, 200 pip. Okay. M5 is look good. Okay, I think this is quite promising. So we can see the bounce from here. Okay. Okay. Price rising already. Let's say within London, they're gonna buy gold. Let me know if you guys buy at this level. Guys, don't need to have like the big the lot size big, because gold is very volatile, and nowadays they run smaller time frame like 100 to 200 pip. Okay, take note of that. Anyone want to request, or you just want to look at gold? If you buy gold, you let me know, guys, so I can help you, or just stay here. And then how is the gold doing? Based on M15, I see this is a good sign if you buy gold. Okay, price action, I would say. Okay, this is really good price action. Let's just see again. I just mentioned, this is my first support based in his 4 time frame, right? You can see a lot of rejection. Now you see the bounce like this morning 10. Okay, price also have like closing long week. I thought like, okay, maybe we're gonna see price bounce, but London just sell. Okay, so now we're gonna see whether gonna bounce from here. Is, you see, just from here to it's 500 either 50 pip. It's very quick. Okay, let's just see. Of course, yeah, stop loss. I'm gonna put at 49 if you buy gold, okay? Because that is the level. I think I'm gonna put, yeah, that's 49. 49. I think that should be good enough. All right. Hey Nina, you're still here. Okay, did you buy gold or you still wait for the another M5 to close? Let me see. Anybody talk to me in the app? In app, Vantage. Hi guys. Okay, let me know. Okay, if you have any instrument, you may have a look for you. Like I just mentioned, if you want to buy here, just do your own due diligence. Don't overtrade. Okay, set the stop loss. If you hit the stop loss, then just stop loss. Okay, you bought at 40.59. 40.59. Wow, it's here. Okay, you're positive already. You say that you buy at 59, somewhere around here. Okay, good. Happy for you. Okay, just hold. Okay, you just hold. Hold. Okay, just hold. How far it can go? Maybe you can aim here in the lower time frame. Okay, because I don't know how far it can go, but this is already taken. I think you can just aim for like 100 pip, 150, 200, because I don't know how the London is gonna. Here it's a more 100 pip. Yeah, but look at the M5, it's good, but I want this M5 to, okay, another less than 30 seconds. I want like M5 to close, then another open, another M5, okay, and then we can hold. 480 too high of fresh OB. Of course, this is the zone, and I'm also looking at this one as well. Okay, but it will take this and this zone for 70 first. You can aim for 70 because of this one, right? And then you can another one is here at 80. Not too high. I also hope to go like 80, 40, 80. Okay. If go to 40, 80 from this, they just say you enter at what 59. They just say exact 59 somewhere, right? Yeah, for example. All the way. This is 150 at 70. This is 2000. Okay. This is 1000 first at 70. I have no idea with the London section because sometimes London may sell or may buy. This 80. Yeah, it's very hard to say. It's just that these are support level. Okay. But if you have smaller size, I think you can hold. Yeah. If they want to come back here, then they shouldn't go on, close below this level. I mean, close below 50, 55. Shouldn't go like below 55. I'll stay here. If not, you can request, okay? If not, gonna look at gold together with you guys. Change color. Purple. If you think like 49 is too far, then you just put 54 stop loss. Like, yeah, because this is a week, right? And if we say this is a price action, okay. And if this one you can closing with bullish, and then that is okay. But if you can hold, yeah, 49, then we just, stop out. then we might look for the sell entry from there. The level broken at 40.50. Okay. Okay, back to break even. Nina, do you close or you shift stop loss to break even or you just hold? Right? You see that it go to the body here. Now let's wait for another M50 M5 to close. If M5 close with the bullish, I think we can aim for 40, 70. 40, 70. Yeah, just hold. Yeah. I'm gonna set my stop loss 40, 49. Don't trust me, okay, guys. You just make your own judgment. If you want to buy, set stop loss. Either you put below 55, okay, or you put 49, or depend. This is the zones, I would say, based on H4, okay, like the body and the wick. So if the body really close below in H4, okay, but again, because the H4 still haven't closed, but the body closed below, and then I think we could just look for the sell entry, or maybe in like H1. But H1 is what here though. It's because I refer to H4, right? You can see a lot of the like, you know, the rejection. So we hard to say. We just see, okay? We just wait for M5. I want to see the M5 close. Okay, go. It look good. Another 20 seconds. Okay, if this one closing with bullish, yep, we can hold to 70. Don't come down, go up first. Let's just see, okay, let's just see. Okay, nice, look nice. Another M5. It seems like this one want to sell. But aim for 60, 75. Okay, let's see. This not nice. Okay, let me look on the M. You look at the M15. If M15 like that, we have the rejection, and this is not very nice. Then we need to wait for another, this M5. Okay, this is how you read the candle. Okay, this on the real chart, right? You say if you say that, okay, this is the zones, then you see the price action you buy, right? From here, price rising 30 pip. Okay, and then you said, okay, based on the price action you want to buy, that then the stop loss you just either set below 55 or just set below, I just sit below 55. Or if you think that you can hold, that is my idea for stop loss 40, 49. Yeah. So we see? We will see whether, okay, price gonna reject from this level. No one want to request? Anyone beside gold, or you want to stay and look at gold? Anybody buy? Anyone? Yeah. Okay. We still have about 3 minutes for M5 to close. Let's say if M5 close with the bullish, yes, I would say that 40, 70. Okay, 40, 70. Mm. But still very strong selling. Strong selling. This is just in the lower time frame. Okay, this is the M1. Okay. And this is a M1 and this is M5. Okay, I'm gonna pause here. See who's here. Hey, I just saw you. Hi, Jira. Nice to see you here. Do you buy gold or you still wait? You want to request for any instruments? Like in app, I cannot like because so many spamming messages. So I can't identify if you talk to me. Okay, guys. Wow, let me scroll. There's so many. Okay. Okay, price falling back again. Let me look. You see that? By right, if they're talking about like negative correlation, dollar falling, EU rising, yet GU rising very strong, yet lovely. Gold be rising, right? But gold still falling. I don't know why. Like gold want to like follow the dollar. By right, gold should be rising. Dollar is falling so strong, you see that, and EU rising because they are negative correlation. You see that, right? In London buy EU, buy GU, but nobody buy gold. Okay, I join later at time zone change in the weekend to winter time webinar time modify for me. Oh, okay. Oh, because it's a daylight saving. Okay. Time zone change in the weekend, so the winter time will be no. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Wow. Based on M5 is not nice. Okay, based on M5, this not very nice. Mm. No choice, just hold. Okay. But you say that the webinar time modify for you, modify, in Zooms. Okay. Okay, now time to fly. Okay, time for you go to fly right now. Just go. Go to the 71st. Yeah. I think London come just want to sell gold. If not, we just aim for 70 and then we aim for 80 or 79. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This, let me see. The invitation was for 10 a.m., but it started at 9 a.m. Okay. For the webinar, it not change. Okay, so yeah, because in Zoom is what my time zone is this time. Oh, no one. Yeah, no wonder I say, hey, I did not see you join the like the Zoom webinars. Then after that, I saw, hey, you just came in. Yeah. Oh, it's bought because they like, okay. I'll take note of that. Nina, you still hold? You still hold? You still with me? Anybody? Okay, and whoever hold the buy entry, like don't forget to set the stop loss. I don't know. I have no idea why like it's stuck somewhere here. Okay, let me just look at the M1. Okay. Okay, hold by till 40, then I will take a break. Okay. Where is your first entry? Do you have any first entry at 70? Or your first entry was here? Along the way, do you have any buy entry at 70, 75 or no? This is okay. Based on this, right? If you were to see like that, this is London. I think they sell off gold. Okay, even though dollar is like rising, it falling, right? EU still rising, right? GU also rising, but gold it keep falling. So if you were to see like that, nobody buy gold. I think they just sell off. Maybe people sell because the OB here they keep selling. This because of this candle, right? It's not very nice. Just like you are falling, I was okay. Maybe when we can see like the whole, but then maybe they are sell all because of this like OB here. Yeah. So, yeah. Just say the stop loss. Okay. Just want to protect your capital. Don't hold. At least you see the stop loss, you still have the capital to trade. Yeah. If I'm gonna see like that, I think probably gonna probably gonna like falling. Wow. Let me see. Now it's at 50, 53, 54. Let me see. It went down to 55, 55. Okay. Yeah, haven't closed below 55. Yeah, you see when I say like that, it's not a good structures already. So now we need to see whether like London session is gonna buy, but based on this, I would say it's not a nice, okay, it's not nice at all. Okay. Based on it, I would say it's not nice setup. I mean, it's not a nice structures. It was sideways, even in the lower time frame here. Okay, it now it break. It now is my race one, this one is what at 55. Yeah, it's gonna see whether we're gonna see whether price gonna bounce from this. Just small divergence. Yeah, you see just small divergence here. Like another 500 pip. Yeah, I already set my stop loss at 49. So it really fall below 39, and then I just stop loss. Okay, then I will look for the next setup. Because based on what I can see, it's not look nice, not look very nice. Okay, so you will see that whether price you can hold above 55. This is 55. We will see from this level. Yeah. You see, this rising, go falling, falling, falling now, and falling now. It's not a nice. Uh, okay, guys. So if anyone don't want to ask me, let me just recap on goal again. Okay, like I say, the support level at 40-50. Okay, if the body close below, okay, and then the next hour you should look for the sell entry. You should look for the sell entry. Okay, I buy in like at 57, like 59. So now price is falling about only 40 pip. Okay, so yeah, wow. Oh, oh, oh my God. Oh my God, you can see that? 38. 38. I get stop out. And I also got slippage. Yeah. The slip rate is so high. Wow. Okay, guys. I think I gonna, okay, let me recap again. Okay, that's not what here. So you see that if really body close below 40-50, from this support level, it's gonna be pullback resistance. Okay, it's gonna be your pullback resistance level. Price was falling all the way to like 38 just now. You can see that. I already got stop out and I put my stop loss at 30 something. You see 40. It's just one. You can see it's just from one from this level. You can see that within 1 minute candle, almost 200 pip. I already get stop out and I also have the slippage from the brokers. Okay. So when you see like that, you're not gonna buy anymore. Okay, don't buy anymore because now they are sell off gold. Okay, so don't buy. Okay, if you still hold, you should cut loss. Okay, you see that? Meaning that the London, they just sell off. They don't buy gold, right? You will see this one like here. 24 is still falling. You see that? Okay, just here 3,000. 3,000 point 300, almost 350. From the, just now we was where? We was here, right? We will buy at the 59. You see here. So when you see like that, you're not gonna buy, okay? You see this 350 pip. Okay. All right, guys. So take notes of that. Let me do a key level again. You wait for H1, H4 to close. For if close body below, this gonna be the first resistance. Okay. I will just put this first support. If they break, this is strong selling, so you don't buy. From now, you don't buy. The next support level gonna be here. Or you can just, this one you monitor. First support and maybe second support based on this week. And the next support level is gonna be here. Okay. Right here. All right, guys. Take notes. Don't you see? Falling to 29.30. You see the bounce. Don't tell me they come clear stop loss and then rising to this from the resist support become the resistance. That's quick. That's quick. Bounce off or a handed pit. Okay. Now it's very volatile. You wait first. Okay. You wait for the body close below 40.50. If close below, you pull back from the support become the resistance and you buy. Okay. Ina, did you got stop out? I already got stop out, and I also have like slippage. Okay, guys. Okay, if you buy just now and you don't put like at break even, you might get a stop out like me. Okay, sorry about that. Like again, never mind. His stop loss is just part of your trading. Okay, as long as you still like have the capital, don't if you buy when price falling, you don't like hope that price gonna reverse. Just take note of that. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, guys, so I catch up with you guys again on Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday, same time. Not same time. I forgot what time is that. Okay. Uh, oh, you look at M5. It's so quick, right? Okay, guys. Okay, see you again on Wednesday. Bye for now. Take care. Bye bye.